My YouTube channel was just a mess. Politics, election, forex trading, Facebook tips, trending news. I posted literally everything. And after 2 years, I had 5 subscribers and 0.6 watch hours. Last month, I deleted almost everything. Here is exactly what happened, and you might want to do same. My name is Simple. You're watching Simply YouTube Lab. Here, this channel used to be a graveyard for random topics. I was frustrated, jumping from trending news, hoping something would stick. This sounds familiar. Here is the half truth I had to accept. The YouTube algorithm has no idea of whom to recommend my videos to. One day I'm talking of politics, another day I'm talking about election results. The next day I'm explaining forex trading. Those audience don't overlap. So my videos got ignored, and I abandoned the channel out of pure frustration. What I did that changed the whole thing. Let me show you. I'll walk you through my set. Last month, I decided only one niche. Only YouTube tips. No exception. So I went into my YouTube studio. Let me show you. Here is my video list. You see all this. Politics, news, forex, and all this deleted. Not unlisted, deleted. I kept only the Facebook tips videos because they were at least related to social media growth. As you can see, all these ones that I have 12 views and 70 views, they are from my Facebook tips. So I have to keep them. I don't need to delete them. Then, as you can see all this, as you can see here, I changed every thumbnail of all those Facebook videos. What you're seeing here now, they are not the former thumbnail. Look at this. Watch hours went from 0.6 to over 5 hours in just a few weeks. As you can see all this graph, that's almost 10 times growth. That's almost 10 times growth from the old contents. So, what did I learn? This is purely for new creators. Avoid all those noise. Stick. I'm telling you now. So what did I learn? These 3 things, I want you to write them down. I'm telling you from experience. Someone who is trying to build his own channel, who has tried the strategy from other channels. For this one, I want to revive this particular YouTube channel. I want you to write down these 3 points. Number 1, deleting off niche videos is scary but necessary. YouTube rewards clarity. That is one thing I've learned. YouTube rewards clarity. When you post random topics, you confuse the algorithm, and confused algorithm cannot recommend your content. Number 2, old videos are not dead. They just need a facelift, new thumbnail, new titles, and repurposed shots. Give my content a second life, and same can happen to your own channel. Number 3, small growth is still growth. From 0.5 watch hour to 5 watch hour. That might sound tiny, but that is an 8 times increase. If I repeat that 2 more times, I'm at 320 watch hours. That is real momentum. Why am I doing this video? It's to show you what I'm about to do next, in line with what I did that grew my channel to this. Now I'm fully focused on YouTube tips with small creators with dead or struggling channel. Here is my 30 days plan. Publishing 4 more videos like this. Being honest, data driven, using my own channels as case study. I'll be creating 2 shorts from each long videos. Reply to every single comment on my channel on any video, and that will be within 24 hours of getting those comments. And most importantly, not touching any other niche. No politics, no forex trading, no trending news, no Facebook tip, just YouTube growth. I'm documenting everything, the win, the failures, the upward low view days, because if I can revive a messy channel, you can revive yours too. Here is what I want you to do right now. If you're a new creator and you genuinely want to grow your channel, subscribe to this channel if you're a new channel that is stopped and you want to grow your channel with sincerity, not following the bandwagon. I'm going to show you exactly what works and what doesn't. What is your own channel's problem? I want you to reply me on the comment section. Let us treat it together and grow together. Alright, our next video, I am testing a specific strategy to turn 30 subscribers to 100 subscribers. No hype, just real. So subscribe so you don't miss it. Let us grow together in this 30 days plan. You don't need to do any other thing. It's just subscription so that whenever I come up with our step-by-step in next video, you will follow and do the same with your own channel. Alright, I am simple. This channel is a proof that dead channel can come back to life. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.